Hello, my name is Samantha Stein. I was a sophomore at the University of Florida when I participated in the FIU Argentina International Relations program. It helped me to fulfill my Latin America certificate at the University of Florida, and since then I talk about my research experience on the Argentine justice system in all of my interviews. It helped me to get a government fellowship in my current graduate program in the Master's in Public Policy that I'm working on. My experience with my host family was extremely special. I still keep in touch with them today, and I think that FIU has a deep understanding of the history of the region and the culture, and really opened my eyes to different aspects of the globe and broadened my horizons and made me a more competitive applicant to careers, to jobs, and to graduate programs. And I would highly recommend it to anyone who's looking to explore abroad in a region that's a little bit more uncommon to explore. It really sets you apart. Thanks.